Good day. I am John Michael Bersosa, a student of the University of Eastern Pangasinan. Today, I will present the vision and mission of our university. This presentation is for our subject under the guidance of our teacher, Mr. Philip Michael Iwanan. And in Net 101, my instructor is Mr. Philip Michael Iwanan. Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry, focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. In Net 101, I learned the basic of networking and its importance in communication. Networking allows devices such as computers, smartphones, and other gadgets to connect and share information, which makes the internet and online services possible in our daily lives. The course introduced to me different types of network like LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN, as well as topologies such as bus, star, ring, and mesh. I also learned about devices like routers, switches, hubs, and modems, which showed me how networks are built and how data is shared between devices. I also studied IP addressing and network protocols. I learned the difference between IB4 and IB6. I used the public and private IP addresses and the importance of protocols like TCP, IP, HTTP, and DNS. The lesson also covered cabling, wireless technologies, and network security, including firewalls, encryption, and VPNs. Lastly, Net 101 taught me practical skills and troubleshooting using commands like ping and ipconfig. Overall, this subject gave me a strong foundation in networking, helped me understand how devices communicate, and made me appreciate the role of network in supporting our daily lives and activities. That's all. Thank you.